Good morning. In this brief lightning talk, I'm going to show you guys what writing hello world in assembly looks like. I'm trying to understand what computers are doing when we write code, and the more I dig down, the more I want to dig down, and obviously assembly is a good place to kind of understand what was going on. So that is where I started. So right now, we are going to do hello world on an ARM 32 chip. Obviously, I have a MacBook that has an Intel chip, so I'm actually remotely logged into my Raspberry Pi, and I've already installed what we need to install. And we are in the assembly folder, so if we just want to go and take a look at what's in here, I've already built out the file just because this oh my gosh, this lightning talk has to be quick. So I'm just going to kind of explain what's going on here. The way assembly files work, you separate them into data and text. And so our data in this case is going to be hello world, right? And then we need to actually know the length of that also because we are putting this directly in memory. And so at least on ARM, you write global start and then start. And then just to kind of explain what's going on here, these syscalls are when the program hands things over to the kernel. And so initially, we are saying move to register 0 command number 1, and that just means std out. And then we are putting the message location in memory, or the message, I'm sorry, this is the message, yeah, location in memory. And then we need to actually say how many bytes that is going to be. And then we go ahead and write it. This MOV means move. It's a super important command. And then we go ahead and invoke this system call, which writes that writes hello world to register 1. Oh no, my computer stopped moving. Okay, and then uh, something we're not really used to, but we have to actually exit the program, and so we change our status in the register 0 to 0, which is exit, and that means like all good exit. And then we yeah, we say syscall number 1, and then we just invoke it, and then that runs. And so let's go ahead and go to the terminal. And so we have to actually run the assembler. So we're going to say as-o hello.0 is what we're creating, and hello.s, that's the file we were just in. Okay, and then we need to run the linker, which is ld-o hello. We're creating this executable file, and then hello-o with that file we just made. And then we just run the file. So we say oops dot slash hello, and then boom, hello world. So that was real quick and dirty. I realized we didn't really get through much, but I just wanted to make this quick and show you guys exactly how to make hello world in assembly. And if you just want to look at this file again, and you can see the swap files from Vim. Apologies. Um, but here we are again. So this is how you do hello world in assembly for an ARM 32 chip.